This is a heavy-duty professional speaker connector developed for extreme environments and high-voltage applications. To meet the demands of touring concerts, large-scale indoor and outdoor lecture halls, and various high-intensity commercial activities, the product is specially designed with enhanced durability and stable conductivity. Its unique locking mechanism produces a crisp, click sound when plugged into the female connector, ensuring a stable physical connection and preventing signal interruption due to vibration during performances or recordings. The smooth thread design not only improves the tactile feel but also makes disassembly and assembly easier. This heavy-duty speaker connector consists of 4 main components: a zinc alloy shell, a nylon plastic body, a strain relief chuck, and a cable boot. Logos are laser engraved onto the solid metal shell, and we also offer custom logo services. The clearly marked 1+1 and 2+2 wiring definitions on the plastic body demonstrate strict adherence to professional engineering standards. The white chucks are suitable for wire diameters of 11.5 to 13 mm, while black chucks are included as accessories for diameters of 8.5 to 11.5 mm. The standard cable boot is suitable for wire diameters of 9.5 to 11.5 mm, and removing the O-ring makes it compatible with diameters of 8.5 to 9.3 mm. The internal structure of the 4x2.5 square mm speaker cable features conductors composed of 7x46/0.1 BC, exhibiting excellent cable flexibility. This professional-grade speaker cable uses an alternating forward and reverse winding method, which not only protects the delicate internal conductors from pressure, but also ensures that when wiring for the next performance, it can be perfectly unwound with just a gentle pull, without ever getting tangled. Learn more at www.srexact.com.